Hi, Nonna.
Hi, Michael. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
Okay, fine.
What should I cook today?
Yes, you want to cook something good?
Yes.
Yes, make it. Pizza spaghetti.
Okay, I'll let you know how it comes out.
Okay?
Okay.
You know what I'm supposed to do.
Yes, I know. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
First things first, put a medium pot of water on the stove and bring it to a boil. Crack 2 eggs in a large bowl big enough to fit all of your pasta. These eggs happen to have 2 yolks in each. Check it out. Grate your Parmigiano Reggiano and add salt and some cracked pepper. Break up your yolks and start to whisk the eggs. Keep whisking the eggs until everything is combined. Once your water is boiling, add some salt and add your favorite long pasta. Here I have our fresh spaghetti. You just need to cook the pasta for a minute or 2. Strain your pasta and make sure to drain all the excess water. Then transfer it to the bowl with the egg mixture. Make sure to evenly coat all the pasta. Next, heat up some oil in a medium sauté pan. Once your oil is hot, add your spaghetti, and with a fork, evenly distribute the spaghetti throughout the pan. Try to pack the spaghetti, this way everything sticks together nicely. Once the bottom starts to get a nice golden color, now we'll flip it. I just take a lid from another pot and slide the spaghetti onto it and gently flip it back into the pan. Continue packing the spaghetti, this way it holds its shape well. At this point I added just a touch more oil. After a couple more minutes, you'll see the bottom side has gotten really nice color. So once both sides are nicely browned, just transfer it to a cutting board lined with a paper towel. This way any excess oil gets absorbed into the towel. And then just cut it into 4 pieces like a pizza.
So this is the finished product, nice and crispy on both sides. This is something that my grandmother and mother would always make whenever we would go to the beach or hang out by the pool. It's perfect for the summertime. It's really easy to make. You can make it the day before if you want and then reheat it, or just eat it cold on the beach. Wow. Just like Nonna makes. Thanks for watching. Hope you stick around for more recipes with Nonna. Ciao.